Welcome to Epic Yarn Gems. Guess what? We have 200 subscribers, and as a thank you, we're going to be doing a yarn giveaway.
What? What? Nah. Good boys.
So the first yarn we're going to give away are 2 skeins of the Lion brand yarn, Wool Ease, thick and quick. The color is Bluebird, and it is a super bulky 6 yarn. It is 80% acrylic and 20% wool. The net weight is 5 ounces, and the yardage is 87 yards each. The next yarn is a cake of the Lion brand yarn, Mandalay. The color is unicorn. It is a lightweight yarn, number 3. It is 100% acrylic. The net weight is 5.3 ounces and it has 590 yards in it. The next yarn is 3 skeins of Yarn Bee Tender Touch yarn. The color is coral. They are all from the same lot, all 3 skeins. It doesn't have a thickness on it, but it does feel like a 4 or a 5. It is 100% acrylic, and the net weight is 3 ounces and 135 yards per skein. And the last yarn is 2 skeins of the Loops and Threads yarn. It is the Charisma yarn. The color is Mulberry Bush. These are from different lots. It is a bulky 5 weight and it is 100% acrylic. The net weight is 3.5 ounces and 109 yards on each skein. So that's a total of 8 skeins. And I really want to thank you all for supporting my channel and getting me to 200 subscribers. I do want to let you know that this contest is open worldwide and I will ship it anywhere that I am allowed to. If there are countries that do not accept this type of package, I will not be able to send it to you. Also, if there are duties or taxes in your country, I will not be responsible for those. Okay, so how do you enter the giveaway? You need to be a subscriber to my channel. You need to like this video and also to leave me a comment. The question I have for your comments that I'd like to see an answer for is what type of how-to or tutorial video would you like for me to do next? This contest will be open until Sunday, November 3rd, Eastern Standard Time at noon. So after noon on Sunday, I will be using a random comment selector to select the winner. At that time, I'll be contacting you for your shipping information. And again, I really want to thank everyone who supports my channel, and I look forward to seeing you here again. Have a great night.